April 26th, this coming weekend, was supposed to be the day of my ultrasound course, which of course is not going to happen in the way I anticipated due to the fact that New York State is under lockdown for the coronavirus. So that course will be postponed in terms of the practical format. However, the didactic format is going to happen. And I will be offering access online if you choose to access it. It's 7 CME credits. The first 3.5 CME credits will be available to those who tune in. So basically, I'm going to have the didactic portion done this week via online Zoom webinar format, and the in-person practical training with a model and actually getting your hands wet will be done hopefully in May or June when the restrictions ease up. So check out the pain exam events page and you'll get the details on if you can sign up for at least the Zoom part of the lecture, which is about 3.5 hours long, and it's for advanced pain procedures. Topics that the advanced ultrasound course will feature are the spine, the peripheral nerve blocks, of course, some soft tissue injections. I added a bit on the cluneal nerves, which is still new to me, and I'm trying to get my act together with that, but I think it's something that is not touched upon in a lot of pain practices, and I found quite useful in my practice. I've done them with ultrasound and x-ray. The ganglion impart block, which I just started doing under ultrasound, as well as many more. I also take requests, so if there's something that you want to learn in particular, please send me an email. I'll do my best to make it happen.